My video is about removing malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Sv.ubviabj.cfd. So some people may see these strange pop-ups. These pop-ups are not only strange, but they are even very dangerous. Their purpose is to force users into downloading and installing unwanted browser extensions into the Google Chrome browser. Such extensions, by the way, may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. Anyway, you should be very careful not to install any of such third-party extensions. If they were mistakenly added, you need to get rid of them. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. So once again, don't tolerate these pop-ups. We also recommend that you carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could still remain on the computer. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then start examining your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.